My dream for how an ICU could be would be a place where we're taking care of the person in the way that they need to be cared for in that particular moment. I'm Rachel West. I've been a nurse for 25 years. It was incredibly stressful being in the unit. There were always alarms going off, and the patients don't get to leave at the end of 8 hours. So if a nurse has 400 alarms per shift, the patient has 400 alarms per shift times 2 or 3. They don't get to leave, they don't get a break, and that underlying stress response is happening. The reason I went into nursing was to be able to care for people. CalmWave is a tool designed to help reduce unnecessary noise and alarm in a critical care environment, really working to make that environment more conducive to healing.
So many people have been touched by this really horrible situation where you have a family member in the ICU and, for example, they can't sleep, right? Because they have incessant beeping in their ears that are non-actionable. CalmWave is helping the devices function as they were designed, which is if you hear something, if you hear a beep, that means there actually is a problem. This is a foundational problem that has had no solution up until CalmWave.